The world of sport and the world of cricket has been plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of Australian great cricketer Shane Warne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. News coming out of Melbourne, Australia is that the great Australian cricketer the great Shane Warne has passed away at age 52 suddenly. Shane Warne, who was considered to be one of the greatest bowlers in cricket history and helped Australia win the World Cup in 1999, has died. Fox Sports Television, which employed Shane Warne as a commentator, quoted a family statement as saying he died of a suspected heart attack in Thailand. Shane Warne was found unresponsive in his villa, and despite the best efforts of medical staff, he could not be revived, the statement said. The family requests privacy at this time and will provide further details in due course. Known as Warne, Shane Warne took 708 Test wickets in 145 matches for Australia from 1992 to 2007, second only to Sri Lanka great Motia 800 Test wickets from 133 games. Shane Warne was part of the 5 Ashes winning team against England during his career. Warne made his Test debut at Sydney Cricket Ground in 1992 and rose to become a key figure across all platforms of the greatest sustained period of dominance by any team in the world. He delivered the ball of the century with his first toss of the 1993 Ashes tour, bowling Mike Gattin with a ball that turned from well outside the leg stump to click the bail off instantly, writing himself into the folklore. Warne was noted as much for his life off the field as so it was on the field. He was banned in 2003 for taking a prohibited substance, which he later blamed on his mother for giving him a diuretic substance to improve his appearance. But he returned in 2004, and in the third Ashes Test of 2005, he became the first bowler in history to take 600 wickets. His exploits off the field took a toll on his marriage, and he split from his wife Simone, the mother of his 3 children. He later had a relationship and became engaged to an English actress in 2010. The pair split eventually in 2013. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our condolences to the family and friends.